In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Drive links on GoHighLevel websites. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any text on your GoHighLevel site into a clickable link that opens a file or folder from your Google Drive. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the tools for your account. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the section where all your funnels and websites live. Once you're on the Sites page, click on Websites. You should now see a list of all the websites you've created in this GoHighLevel location. Find the website you want to work on. In this example, we're using a test site, so click on the name of the site you want to edit. Inside that site, you'll see a list of pages. Find the specific page where you want to add your Google Drive link. On the right-hand side of that page, click on Edit. This will open the GoHighLevel page builder so you can make changes to the content. Now, on the page, locate the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Click on those words and drag your cursor to highlight them. As soon as the text is highlighted, a small formatting toolbar will appear. In that toolbar, look for the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain link, and click on it. A small pop-up will open with a URL field. Click into that URL field so it's ready for you to paste a link. Next, open a new tab and go to your Google Drive. Find the file or folder you want to share from your drive. Right-click on it and choose the option to get the link, then click on Copy Link. Make sure the sharing settings in Google Drive are set so that your visitors will actually be able to view the file. Now go back to your GoHighLevel Page Builder tab. In the URL field of the link pop-up, paste the Google Drive link you just copied. Below that, you'll see an option that says Current Window. Open that dropdown and change it to New Window. This ensures that when someone clicks the link, it opens in a new tab and doesn't navigate them away from your website. Finally, click on Save to apply the hyperlink. Don't forget to save or publish your page in GoHighLevel so the changes go live.